What if the smallest things you do each day are quietly shaping the biggest changes in your future changes? You 1T notice until one day everything feels different. Mia had big dreams, but every dream she started seemed to collapse halfway. She would begin workout plans with excitement, only to abandon them by the end of the week. Her bookshelf was filled with books she had read halfway. Her phone had apps she downloaded for self-improvement, but barely touched. One evening, she sat in her room, surrounded by unfinished notebooks. Some had only 3 pages written. Others stopped exactly where the excitement had faded. That night, a memory came back to her. The time she quit piano lessons in middle school. She remembered sitting on the piano bench, frustrated because she couldn't play fast enough. Instead of practicing, she walked away. And she had done that over and over for years. For the first time, Mia saw a pattern she had never noticed. She wasn't failing because she was incapable. She was failing because she never stayed long enough for anything to grow. The next morning, Mia made a decision so small it almost felt ridiculous. 5 minutes a day. Just 5. 5 minutes of reading. 5 minutes of stretching. 5 minutes of learning something new. She didn't aim for progress. She didn't aim for transformation. She simply aimed to show up. While making this new rule, she remembered another memory. Her grandmother tending to a dying little plant. Every morning, her grandmother gave it a few drops of water, barely enough to wet the soil. But slowly, week after week, that tiny plant stood taller. Mia didn't understand the lesson then, but she understood it now. Small things grow when you keep returning to them. Days passed. Then weeks. Her 5-minute actions began to stack quietly, like bricks building a foundation she didn't yet see. Her flexibility improved. Her reading list actually started shrinking. Her notebook filled with new ideas and reflections. One morning, she found an old journal entry dated 3 months earlier. It said, "I feel stuck. I want to change, but nothing lasts." Reading it made her pause. She realized she no longer felt stuck. She no longer felt like someone who quit. She had become someone who showed up, even when the progress was invisible. And that changed everything. The breakthrough happened unexpectedly. A friend noticed her new energy and asked, "How did you become so consistent?" Mia hesitated, almost embarrassed to say it out loud. 5 minutes a day, she replied. Her friend looked confused. "That's it." Mia nodded. "That's it, and I haven't missed a single day." As she said those words, something clicked inside her. She realized she wasn't chasing motivation anymore. She wasn't waiting for inspiration. She had built a rhythm, a quiet, steady rhythm that carried her forward. For the first time in years, she trusted herself. Weeks later, Mia woke up earlier than usual, feeling energized and peaceful. Her routines were now effortless, a natural part of her day. She felt clearer, stronger, more capable. She had become someone who didn't give up at the first sign of difficulty. Someone who understood that real progress doesn't roar. It whispers. And she had learned something profound. Small steps, when repeated, become turning points. Consistency isn't about doing everything at once. It's about doing something, anything, every day. Tiny actions, repeated, reshape who you become. If you're ready to build your life, one small daily action at a time. Subscribe to Talavera and join us for the next story of growth.